Hi, Scott here. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. I'd like to talk to you about 3 things that you can learn from kids. 3 things that are just innate in kids and they tend to dissipate as you get older and make life much harder for you. Especially when you want to become successful, an entrepreneur, reach all the goals in life that you really want to reach. So 3 things I'll identify which hopefully find some value from. So the first one is never give up. When you look at kids, do they ever give up? When they're really young, like so they're learning to talk, do they suddenly stop, say, oh, this is too hard, and then not bother talking anymore? Of course not. Learning to walk, do they ever stop, fall over a few times, hurt themselves, go, walking's not for me, I give up? Of course they don't. Keep on going until they learn it. Riding a bike, how about that one? That's a pretty tricky one, right? Do they ever give up? No, they don't. They keep going because they know it can be done. And they know that it's going to change their life. Maybe not aware of it, but they do know inside. So, never give up. When you become older and you want to become successful, then never giving up is a trait that you need to have. Second one, kids, when they get to a certain age, keep asking you why. You tell them something, why? Do this, can you do this please? Why? This is so and so, why? It's just curiosity, right? But what it is, it's an open mind. And as you get older, your mind gets closed off, you get inside your own world, you have your own beliefs. Your own belief system gets installed in you that really is given to you by your surroundings, your family, your society in general, media, all the rest of it, everything that's just influencing your life. So you tend to close off to just listen to things and take them for granted. And in reality, life is very, very different than what you're led to believe. Now, that's a whole new wormhole, I won't go down that one, but just have an open mind. If you want to be successful, you've got to have an open mind. You'll realise that as you start learning things, as you look at successful people, as you read books, just improve your knowledge, become less ignorant on lots of things, you'll realise that having an open mind makes such a big difference. For a start, it's your belief system. That's got to be the major one, right? Your belief system is, must get a job, work 9 to 5, struggle all my life, life's hard, just enough money to get by, life's not as happy as it should be, that's fine, retire at the age of 65, 70, all those beliefs, they're instilled in us, they're not natural beliefs. When you were a kid, did you believe you'd be doing that? Of course not. So having an open mind is very important to having a successful life. Number 3, this is probably the hardest one. Maybe it's the one that's hardest for me, or the one I've come to realise more recently, should we say, and that is living in the now. When life's running you instead of you running life, you're always thinking about the past, thinking about all the mistakes you made. Okay, you've got to learn from your mistakes, but you tend to let the past dominate the now too much. And also the future. You're always trying to get to a better future because that's where the best part lies, right? In the future, because that's what you're working towards, but you're not really appreciating the now. And I'm coming to realise that that's really significant, especially reading this book or listening to this book, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Now is all we've got, right? The past was now, the future will be now, and the future is based on what you're doing now, which is why you're instilling habits in your life that will make the difference and make you successful. Learning all these new things to make you successful, but it's all about now, because the future is only now in the future. So you've got to enjoy now, because you're never going to get to the future. The past has already happened, you can't change that. So it's all about now. You've got to enjoy now. There's no point in putting now off to the future because you're never going to get there, right? Even when you do get there, or what you was aiming for at that time in the future, there'll be other things. the next set of things to look forward to, next set of goals you'll be setting. And you can't be unhappy with where you are, because that's all where you are. That's all you are, is where you are. So yeah, 3 things. I think it'd take a lot of power from, if you listen to those 3 things and really consider it and how it's affecting your life and how you can adjust your life to really make that as a part of your life, then that's got to be a good thing, right? Okay, all the best. Scott from Build My Lifestyle. Dream big and take lots of action. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.